Mayday! Push and roll! Push the blue side up! Okay, let's kick rudder. Left rudder! Left rudder! Okay, right rudder! Right rudder! Okay! We gotta get it over again. We stuck on downward sliding. Speed brake? Got it! Here we go!
2000年1月31日，阿拉斯加航空261号航班，一架 MD-83客机准备从墨西哥经停旧金山，最终飞往西雅图。机上载有83名乘客与5名机组人员。当飞机爬升到31000英尺后，意外发生了，飞机尾部的水平安定面出现了故障。计算机程序提示机组人员关闭自动驾驶。当机组人员关闭自动驾驶后，噩梦就开始了。飞机立刻陷入了俯冲姿态。以下是驾驶舱的录音。
Either system operative.
No.
Both systems inoperative. Consider stab jam. Do not use autopilot. This will click it off.
You got it? What are you doing? It clicked off. It just got worse, okay? You're stalled.
Release it. You gotta release it. Let's get speed brakes. Give me high pressure pumps.
Okay.
Help me back. Help me back.
Okay.
Center Alaska 261, we are in a dive here. Alaska 261, Michigan, vertical pitch. Alaska 261, taking we're out at 26,000 feet. We are in a vertical dive. Not a dive yet, but we've lost vertical control of our airplane. Alaska 261, right? We're at 23.7, request yeah, we got it back under control there. Oh, yeah.
Just help me.
Alaska 261, city altitude, you'd like to remain at.
It'll be okay.
Let's take the speed brakes off.
No, leave them there. It seems to be helping.
Damn.
Okay, it really wants to pitch down.
Okay.
Increase
Adjust
vertical speed.
Alaska 261, say condition.
Monitor vertical speed.
261, we're at 24,000 feet, kind of stabilized. We're slowing here, and we're gonna do a little troubleshooting. Can you give me a block between 20 and 25? Alaska 261, maintain block altitude by level 200 through by level 250.
Maintenance 261, are you on?
Yeah, 261, this is maintenance.
Okay. We did both the pickle switch and the suitcase handles, and it ran away. It ran away full nose, trimmed down.
Oh, it ran away, trimmed down?
Okay. And now we're in a damn pinch, and we're worse than we were before.
Okay, well, your discretion. If you want to try it, that's okay with me.
If not, that's fine. See you at the gate.
Folks, we have had a flight control problem up front here.
We're working it. That's Los Angeles off to the right there, and that's where we're intended to go. We're pretty busy up here working this situation. I don't anticipate any big problems once we get a couple of subsystems on the line.
But we will be going into LAX, and I anticipate us parking there in about 20 to 30 minutes. Center Alaska 261, I need to get down about 10, change my configurations to make sure I can control the jet, and I'd like to do that over the bay here if I may.
Alaska 261, fly a heading of 280 and descend and maintain 17,000.
280 and 17,000 Alaska 261, and we're generally needing a block altitude.
Alaska 261, roger. I need everything picked up and everybody strapped down.
It's on the stop now, it's on the stop.
Not according to this, it's not. I think if it's controllable, we ought to just try and land it.
Think so? Okay, let's head for LA.
Feel that?
Yep. Okay, give me slats. This is a bit. Is this, yeah?
Alaska 261, you over here with me? Yes, sir. LA Delta X, we do have that airplane. It's quite high and up at 1 o'clock. Mayday! Mayday! Push and roll! Push the blue side up! Okay, let's kick rudder. Left rudder! Left rudder! Okay, right rudder! Right rudder! Okay! We gotta get it over again. least upside down, we're flying.
X-ray, right? Just kind of keep your eye on him. He's having some pretty bad problems up there right now. As far as we know right now, he doesn't have any intent to go below 17,000. Keep your eye on him, okay?
Will do, Delta X-ray.
Thanks.
Now we gotta get it up.
Hi there, Delta X-ray.
Speed brake. Got it.
Plane has just started to do a big, huge plunge. A big, huge plunge. Thank you. Skywest 5154. The ND80 is 1 becoming about 2 o'clock, about 10 miles now. Another pilot reports he's really looking pretty bad. They're heading you right to see him.
Yes, sir. I concur. He is definitely in a nose-down position, descending quite rapidly.
Okay, very good. Keep your eye on him. Alaska 261, are you here with us yet, sir?
Push the blue side up.
American 161, you can proceed direct to Denny now.
Okay, let's kick rudder. Left rudder. Left rudder.
15 American 161.
Army 500904, contact center on 119.05.
Okay, right rudder. Right rudder.
1905, video, sir.
Plane's inverted, sir.
Okay. We gotta get it over again. At least upside down, we're flying.
Okay, very good. It looks like he's turning over in front of you now, Skywest 5154. You still got your eyes on him, sir?
There's a sight. He definitely out of control. Yeah, he's inverted.
Okay. Just do what you need to do there, Skywest 5154. Keep us advised.
Speed brake. Got it.
And he's just hit the water. Yes, sir. He hit the water. He's down.
飞机坠入大海之后，机上88人全部遇难。事故原因是飞机尾部的水平安定面螺丝长期未妥善保养，螺丝磨损严重。当螺纹完全磨平，失去咬合力后，螺丝脱落，导致水平安定面脱落，飞机失去平衡，最终进入了完全失控的状态，导致飞机坠毁。最后，愿此类事情不再发生，警钟长鸣。